In our next power function, we've got f of x equals x to the 5/2 power, which if I rewrite that, that's the square root of x to the 5th power. So square root functions, I actually got the chart on the wrong page. If you go to the next page of your seminar sheet on page 6, there is our square root function. And once again, it all depends on if your radical is an even power or if your radical is an odd power. Okay, so if our radical is an even power, then it goes towards positive infinity. And if it's an odd power, then it's symmetric about the origin. So if we take a look here on this question, we've got x to the 5th power. So in other words, it's not defined for negatives. So, and then because it's x to the 5th, I know it's rising rather quickly. So there's our radical function. So now what we can say is our domain would be from 0 to positive infinity. It is defined at 0 because I can take the square root of 0, I get 0. And then my range is also from 0 to positive infinity. So I'm going to rewrite that as domain and range because they're the same. I don't let her do a bunch of writing. And then follow my directions here. I forget that my intercepts, my x and y intercept are 0. It is continuous, if I remember, yeah. It is continuous because I can draw it without lifting up my pencil. As x approaches positive infinity, f of x approaches positive infinity. It doesn't approach negative infinity, so because it's not defined, so we don't have to worry about that. And we see here, and it's always increasing. See if you can do the next one, and then check that on the next video.